HKY Biotech. So today, again, we are here with some of the questions which have been asked in the ICAR NET examination. So all these questions are very important from the examination point of view. Earlier also in our videos, we have discussed many of the questions related to this examination. So the link of that is provided in the description box. You can go over there and you can take a quick revision of all the questions. So let's start with the video, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel so that you can get all the updates related to all these videos, and like the channel and share the video as much as possible.
So let's start with the questions. Number 126, status. Bacterial DNA polymerase 1 can cause nick translation. This property of the enzyme is due to, so this property of DNA polymerase 1, that is the nick translation, this is due to 5' to 3' exonuclease activity. Number 27, that is ADAR is an enzyme which plays a significant role in, it plays a role in RNA indenting in eukaryotes. 128. Addition of mannose 6-phosphate to a protein results in its location in, the correct answer is, that is lysosome. Agar-agar is the polymer of, this is the polymer of, we all know, that is galactose. Question number 130. A palindrome is a sequence of nucleotides in a DNA. So out of these 4 options, the correct option is that this palindromic sequences, they has local symmetry and may serve as recognition site for various proteins. Proteins, that is the restriction enzymes. 131. A transition mutation is, so correct option is this one, that is a transition mutation. It results from the substitution of one purine for another or one pyrimidine for another. So one purine, it is replaced by another purine, or a pyrimidine, it is replaced by another pyrimidine. Substitution, it takes place. So next question, that is 132. Acetylcholine receptor is, so this is sodium channel. 133. Alcohol is used as disinfectant because it can destroy the surrounding bacteria by breaking. The correct one is, that is ionic bonds of bacterial protein. Number 134. CAMP is directly involved in regulation of, it is involved in the regulation of, that is protein kinase A. 135. The nitrogen bases in DNA are, so we have 4 nitrogen bases in DNA, namely, that is A, T, G and C. Adenine, thymine, guanine and cytosine. Number 136. Alpha-alpha is used as biofertilizer due to presence of, this is due to cynorhizobium. All the amino acids are specified by more than one codon except So all the amino acids we know that they have more than one codons except for methionine and tryptophan. Number 138, biologically not common but sometimes playing regulatory role in gene expression, the DNA is, that is the Z form of the DNA. Question number 139, CAAT box, CAT box and GC box, a component of promoter of, so the correct option is, that is Arabidopsis. Number 140, amino acids are translocated by intestinal epithelial cells by sodium ion amino acid co-transporters. This is the correct option. Number 141, among closely lined cells, signal are communicated by. So in this case, the communication of signal between the two closely lined cells, this is by, that is the gap junction. Moving to the next question, 142, that is, among the following enzymes which is not involved, we have to pick up the one which is not involved in DNA replication process. So the correct option is, that is this RNA polymerase. All these three, they are involved in the DNA replication process, we know it. That is DNA polymerase, ligase and helicase. Number 143, among the following, which mutagen induces formation of thymidine dimers in DNA? So out of this, the correct option is, that is UV light. This is because of this. 144, calcium binding proteins is, they are the troponin. Number 145, calmodulin, a calcium binding protein, is found in living organisms except, so it is not found in case of prokaryotes. Rest all it is found, that is eukaryotes, plants and animals. (146) RNA is absent in, it's absent in plasma lemma. This one is the correct one. 147, CDK-1 cyclin A complex acts as, it acts as H2G2 transition. 148, question number, CDK4 cyclin D complex. Again, I repeat that all these questions are very important and related to this also, cell cycle questions. They have been asked many times in the examination. CDK4 cyclin D complex acts on restriction point. This one is the correct one. CDK1 with cyclin B, it acts on, the correct one is this one. It acts on the M phase. Then an operon is inducible means, so what do we mean by inducible operon? That is, the operon is for catabolic process. Then 151, that is, V. Ramakrishnan shared Nobel Prize for Chemistry in the year 2009 for describing the detailed structure of, he described the detailed structure of, that is 30S ribosomal subunit. So dear friends, thank you so much for watching this video. Please go to the previous links also and watch the videos. They will be very helpful for you for preparing the NET examination. And I would like to say that please subscribe the channel so that you can get all the updates whatever we are providing you for the examination, and like the video and share the video.